Hello everyone, welcome back to Indiana Kayak Fishing Journal. Today is Sunday, December the 15th. It has been extremely cold out, but we got some warm weather here just recently. Today's 50 degrees, but leading up to that we had lows in the teens, highs in the 20s, so it's been extremely cold for the last little bit. A lot of the lakes are iced up, the river itself is 34 degrees and there's a little bit of ice on some of the banks in places. So like I said, it's extremely cold out. What I'm going to be doing today is fishing for northern pike. I've got my jerkbait rod here with the Rapala X-Rap already snapped on there, ready to roll. I'm going to be fishing a stretch of river that I've fished before and then trying to push a little bit further downstream to fish some spots that I have not ever fished to see if some of those could be productive areas. Some of the places I've been looking at on Google Maps, they look really good from a satellite view, but you never really know until you go and check it out. So I said I'm going to be throwing the Rapala X-Rap and seeing what I can get into. Stay tuned, we'll see how it goes. Giant walleye. Giant walleye. Oh my God. Absolute giant walleye. I wasn't sure what had just happened. Oh my gosh. Big walleye. Look at that walleye. That is a giant walleye. That's got to be a 5-pounder. Well, I'm out here on the river today and I've been fishing for northern pike and I've only had a chance at one pike. One came up and grabbed it and let go of it immediately. I didn't have a chance to hook them. The last hole that I fished, I had a giant walleye follow my jerkbait right into the boat. And then I come down the river to the next deep hole, took one cast, and I caught a giant walleye. This is like a 5-pound walleye. Let me show it to you real quick. That is an absolute tank of a walleye. That is so flippin' cool. Just an incredible fish. He's so heavy and thick. He fought like a wet rag, but that is such a cool fish. Wow. Spectacular. Well, let's get him back. All right, one last look at this guy. Wow. Let's get him back. What a walleye, dang. There he goes. That was cool though. Pike. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna lose him right here at the net. Terrible net job. Good Lord. Well, I finally caught my first pike of the day. He's no giant, but it's a fish. Maybe he's just a start. Let's let him back. Whoosh. Jeez. He was ready to go. There's pike. Again, not a real big one, but here's a pike. He's in the net. Woohoo! Woohoo! Alright, second little pike of the day here. Still a pretty small one. Let's get him right back. There he goes. Another pike. Better one there. All right, well, I just caught my third pike of the day. The biggest one of the day, but he's not really saying much because the other two I got were pretty small. I caught this one just a few casts after my last one, probably only 3 or 4 casts later, so that's pretty cool. Maybe something start to happen. If not, I'll just take this guy. This guy's pretty nice. There he is. Not a giant by any means, but he's probably 24 to 26 inches. Pretty decent little fish. All right, let's go ahead and get him back. Decent little northern pike. Oh, there he goes. Whoosh. Nice one. Oh, that was cool as hell. Oh, man, he ate it right at the boat. That was so flippin' cool. Oh, man. That's the nicest one of the day right there. All right, well, I just got my 4th pike of the day, 5th fish total. This is now the nicest pike of the day. He's a nice one. It's not real long, but nice, fat, healthy fish. It's a good one. Probably almost a 28-inch fish. It's a nice one. Yeah, good one. Hit it right at the boat. I saw him following it and left it in there just a second longer, and he just absolutely swallowed it. It was awesome. Let's get him back. All right, there he is, number 4 of the day. He's a beaut. Let's get him right back. There he goes, back to his home. Cool. All right, well, that's gonna do it for the video today. Overall, a pretty good day. I ended up catching 4 pike, 2 of which were pretty decent, and then 2 small ones. I did miss one at the beginning of the day. Came up and grabbed the lure, and then just didn't get hooked and swam away. Like I said, I missed that one, and then I went a while before I caught anything at all. And then I ended up catching that huge walleye, which was a huge surprise, nice bonus fish. Especially that size of a walleye. That's probably the 2nd biggest walleye that I've caught this year, behind one of the fish that I caught on the Maumee River during the walleye run up there. Like I said, I caught that walleye, and then I ended up catching 4 decent pike to round the day out with. That last fish was really cool. I was working the lure back to the boat, and I was right to the boat, and I saw him right behind it, so I just let the lure set there for an extra second, and he just wolfed it down. I hooked him and brought him in. Really cool take, really cool getting to see him eat it like that. Just amazing. How aggressive these fish can be sometimes, even with the water like 34 degrees. Pretty amazing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you to everybody who likes, comments, subscribes, shares these videos. I really appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one.